Good morning and welcome to literally our 5-minute video on how you order Microsoft Teams direct routing through the Stream Networks Cascade portal. So as you can see, I'm in the portal here. We've got our standard checking connectivity, cloud, mobile, broadband, and now we've got this digital voice tab. So if we click on digital voice, you can see the list of voice products we got: the Express, Centric, SIP and Teams Direct Routing. If we click on vStream, VoiceStream, Teams Direct Routing, okay, you can put an order reference in here, test order, and then order the contract length you want. Now each Teams user includes 5,000 geo minutes and 2,000 mobile minutes per user per month on a 12 or 36 month contract. There's just a difference in price between the two. Okay, so now we're into the next ordering options. So with Teams direct routing with us, you've got the user license, so that is an individual user license per user. So for example, for my Teams client, my colleagues Teams clients, you need one per user that you want to connect to the direct routing. I will add a few licenses in here. Then for the for basically features, so for auto attendance or call groups, or as I refer to on Teams, call queues, you need a trunking user per feature. For example, if I had an auto attendant with 4 options, sales, support, accounts, marketing, for example, I would need 5 trunk licenses. So 1 license for the auto attendant and 4 for the feature for the call queues or call groups. So I'm going to put in 5 here. We also need a DDI number per user and per feature, so I'm going to put in enough DDIs to cover everything, and then obviously you can number port if you want to port some numbers in, either single number porting, or you can port blocks. And then if you want to also have voice recording, we can choose voice recording here as well. I'm just going to click continue. Okay, so it just summarizes our quote, and if we click on order now, we can select a customer or add a new customer if they're not already with Stream, and you can also add a new site in, so a new physical location. If you wish to, by click on new site. I'm going to pick one from the original list that's on here. So now we go into the sort of technical details. So if you want a new geographic or new DDI numbers, you need to put the input of the geographic code you want. In this case we want 01635. If we were porting numbers in, we need to start the port range that we want to port in. We do pre-port checks, so once you fill out this, we will check out to make sure that you've covered all the numbers that are in the range you want to port. So I'm just going to put, for example, start range there and the end range there. So this is to get your Office 365 tenant ID. So unlike direct routing where you need to do PowerShell configuration, our service requires no PowerShell configuration of users, Teams clients. It's literally done by an admin ID. Excuse me. If you click on here, it will take you to our blog on how you obtain your Azure admin ID or tenant ID. So literally, so it's just a test system, but if we put some hexadecimal codes in like that, just to give it a test. Now I need to create a username, an admin username. Now, as part of our Teams Direct Routing service, you can view CDRs and order the services via Cascade and get the details on your service, but we also have access to a business portal where you can do other features like call divert, should something go wrong with your with Microsoft Teams, you can divert your numbers, you can pick up the voice recordings, etc. So this is for the business portal username, and then I will put an admin address in here, and that's it. Just click continue. So summarizes it monthly, put a purchase order and comments, and literally sign, and then submit the order. Once you've submitted the order, you see this page here, and this gives you details on how to set up the Operator Connect part in Microsoft Teams. So literally just click on this link here, pick your Microsoft ID, verify to log in. So just won't load up. So because I've logged in again, if I just click back on here again, click on here, it should bring up what we want. Okay, so it takes me to Operator Connect now, and then we use BT for the backhaul PSTN calling. So all you have to do in here is click on United Kingdom, put your company size in here, and basically accept and add as operator. Now once you've added that as operator, we have a few, the system goes through a few system updates, but later that day, if you then go into phone numbers, you will see the DDI numbers that are have been sent via API up to your Teams tenant, and you can see here that we've got several numbers. So we've got these numbers that have been attributed to a user, so you can see these have been user assigned to individual users, and we've also got these numbers here that are voice application features, so for things like auto attendant and call queues. So that is the end of the video on how to set up Teams direct routing with Stream Networks. Thank you very much.